first experience. No cleaning women over here. I don't have any schedule. And just for me. If you are like family, the kitchen, my favorite place. I go wherever I want. Hi everyone, today I want to show you where I'm staying in Costa de in the south of Tenerife. We stay on the first line, it's like 400 meters from the beach. We must walk like 5-7 minutes, but very slowly. And we was not renting the hotel, you know. I don't need to show you the hotel with the breakfast, with the dinners, the restaurants and all that, because it's the first time on my life, on my experience, that I didn't know I have 30 years. I never was going to have vacations in the apartments, and yes, we decided to rent the apartments. It's my first experience. My impressions, no cleaning women over here. Nobody will gonna come to clean your apartments. You must do it by yourself. They leave everything what you need for clean. It's not like on the hotels when you go to the beach and you come back and you have your room clean. Over here it's not like that. The stuff that I like is that I don't have any schedule of nothing. I don't need to put alarm, for example, to go to have a breakfast. I don't need to control the time to go to have a dinner. I don't need to have control of the time to go to have like some night animation or something. I go wherever I want. I don't depend on the hotel. I do what I want. We stay on the complex of the apartments. The name is Mariposa Azul. From the Spanish, the translation is blue butterfly. We paid for that apartments 1,060 euros, and that complex is very big. Of course, I will gonna show you that complex, how it's look, with the swimming pools, with the buildings that they have, with a bar that we also have inside of that complex. If the person don't want to leave the complex, he can have the beer, the wine inside of the complex. Also, if he don't want to go to the beach, he can stay on the swimming pool. It's no problem. And of course I will going to show you how it's looking, our apartment that we pay 1,060 euros. To change. It's my room tour. Yeah, our room is started from here. The first room, you can show we have the bedroom over here, and also the toilet. Look, very nice and very big, and the shower, not so small. And that shower is just for my husband because he prefers to have a shower alone. To leave the clothes is also a lot of space over here. Over here and in down, just in case if we get cold in the night, we can cover ourselves. But it's not all. It's not just one room and one bedroom. For that price that we pay, 1,060 euros, something like that, my love, no? We have another bathroom. That bathroom is just for me. The shower is mine. Also, I have a for my wardrobe, for all my clothes. It's very big. And also that apartment was giving for us the umbrella for the rain and umbrella for the sun. That is very nice. It's a very nice compliment. And one more room we have over here. Next room, where is the light? Over here. We don't use that room, we normally close. Over here we have three more towels, but it was in another bed also, but we're using for us, so we was stolen one. And over here also for the clothes. So if you are like family for 4 people or something, you can rent that apartment, I think, without the problem. Now the kitchen, that I told you that I wake up when I want and I go to cook the food. We have everything on the kitchen what we want to have, because we have a plate, we have stuff for make the coffee, we have glasses, we have stuff for throw the garbage, the box, to have a coffee. the microwave, the oven. We have everything what we want to have on the kitchen to cook. We don't need to go to the shop and to buy it in some supermarket or in some Mercadona. Everything we have over here. We don't need to buy absolutely nothing. Absolutely. Over here, it's ours. And also the fridge is very big, we don't use it too much. But we have some stuff over here, but the fridge is also big. And the cups for the wine also we have big sofa, the TV, everything what the person need to have in normal apartments, and nice stuff that we don't need to buy nothing extra, just something like food. And the laundry they have on that complex, you can ask and they will gonna wash your clothes. And terrace is my favorite place over here. Terrace is very big. We have a sofa over here behind another table, and we have stuff for cleaning that I was telling to you that if you were at the apartment, if you took the apartments, you must clean over here. So it's what I'm doing, but the terrace is very nice and the price, I think it's very nice for that complex. So I would like to know your opinion about that apartment. Subscribe on my channel. See you!